MG Motor has unveiled the Cyber GTS concept at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, showcasing a stunning coupe version of the Cyberster Roadster. This concept hints at a potential production model, blending futuristic design with MG's rich heritage. The MG Cyber GTS concept shares much of its bodywork with the Cyberster, including the front end, bumpers, and lighting units. The key difference is its fixed roof, replacing the Cyberster's retractable fabric top, which results in a more streamlined silhouette. This design alteration enhances the coupe's aerodynamic profile, giving it a sleeker and more aggressive appearance. The Cyber GTS concept draws inspiration from the classic MGC GTS Sebring racecar, a nod to MG's storied racing history. The MGC GTS achieved a notable third place in the prototype category at the 1968 12 Hours of Sebring, marking one of the factory team's best results. The modern Cyber GTS seeks to capture this racing spirit, embodying both performance and elegance. While the exterior design closely mirrors the Cyberster, details about the interior layout remain undisclosed. It is unclear whether the coupe will be a traditional two-seater or adopt a 2+2 configuration. The interior is expected to blend cutting-edge technology with luxury materials, maintaining MG's commitment to quality and innovation. Under the hood, the Cyber GTS concept is powered by a fully electric drivetrain. Although MG has not released specific technical details, it is speculated that the concept shares powertrain components with the Cyberster. The Cyberster's most potent rear-wheel drive version produces 335 horsepower, while the all-wheel drive variant, featuring dual electric motors, delivers an impressive 536 horsepower. Both versions are equipped with a 77 kilowatt-hour battery pack, promising robust performance and respectable range. The unveiling of the Cyber GTS concept aligns with MG's broader strategy to expand its electric vehicle lineup. The concept is not merely a design exercise but a tangible step toward a production model. MG has indicated that the Cyber GTS concept explores the further potential for MG to forge a new future with a GTS model in the EV era, suggesting a clear intent to bring this model to market. In addition to the Cyber GTS concept, MG also introduced the EXE181 prototype at Goodwood. This ultra-sleek concept, inspired by the 1959 mg EX181 land speed record car, boasts an impressive aerodynamic coefficient of 0.181 candelas. The EXE181 promises a 0 to 100 km/h sprint in just 1.9 seconds, highlighting MG's commitment to pushing the boundaries of EV performance. MG also showcased the new generation of the HS SUV at the festival, signaling its continued focus on delivering versatile and innovative vehicles. The new HS is closely related to the Chinese Rowe RX-5, reflecting MG's global design and engineering capabilities. The debut of these concepts underscores MG's dedication to blending heritage with modernity. The Cyber GTS concept, in particular, represents a bold vision for the future of electric sports cars. By drawing on its rich racing history and embracing cutting-edge technology, MG is poised to make a significant impact in the EV market. The Cyber GTS concept not only pays homage to MG's past but also looks ahead to a new era of electrified performance. As MG continues to innovate and expand its EV lineup, enthusiasts and consumers alike can look forward to exciting developments in the near future.